Well, this was meant to be a nice, pretty beginning shot saying this is how to make rhubarb chutney. But it's so delicious, we've only got half the jar left. Keep watching to find out how you make it. Right, so you are going to need some rhubarb, about 2 cups worth, that's more than enough there. Some salt to taste, we add that in later. Some sesame oil. You can use another oil if you can't get sesame, but I really do recommend that. It really does change the taste. Some chilli powder. I've run out of the normal, so we're just using the mild. Ground turmeric, mustard seeds, asafoetida, and some curry leaves. Okay, not much at all. Well, the first thing we're going to do is chop up the rhubarb. So we get 2 cups. If you've seen our veg patch, you will know we've got quite a significant rhubarb patch, which is absolutely lovely. And we do like our rhubarb crumble and cakes, muffins, biscuits, pies. It is nice to do something savoury with the rhubarb, just every now and again. And it's Father's Day today, so a nice curry for Nick tonight we've got Bombay potatoes from our new potatoes that we've done, no dig, and this. And I'm going to save those because we are going to have a crumble for afters. Right, so that's that chopped up. Now let's get to cooking. Okay, in this saucepan I've got 2 teaspoons of the sesame oil. Just going to heat that through. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of the mustard seeds. And we basically let this heat through until the mustard seeds start to pop. Okay, we can hear them popping now. It's only taken about 2 minutes. So I'm going to add about 1/4 teaspoon of the asafoetida and a couple of curry leaves, and give that a quick stir. The smell is delicious with the sesame oil, and the asafoetida smells lovely as well. I'm just reaching for the rhubarb. It can go in. Give it a good stir. And now all we do, turn the heat down to a medium heat and pop the lid on for about 2 to 3 minutes. Right, that's been a couple of minutes. It's been about 3 minutes. You can see that the rhubarb has started to go mushy. I'm just going to add a little bit of salt. And now we add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. and about 2 teaspoons of curry powder. This really, you just want to add to your taste, you know, however hot you like things. This is a mild one. Give that a good stir in. I think I'm going to have to make some naan bread to go with this. We've got some bhajis. What were they? What we've got in the freezer? Carrot and leek, I think they are. The bhajis we've got in the freezer. We'll have some of those. What a feast! So now we cook this until the rhubarb goes completely mushy. So it's going to be 4 or 5 minutes. What a beautiful colour. I think it's coming up on the camera, just what a lovely colour it is. Right, that has been going for about 5 minutes and all the rhubarb is mushed up. I've turned the heat off and now I'm going to transfer it into a sterilised jar. Right, here goes. Just going to pop this in here. There's not much of it. Is it going to go through this? It's a nice thick chutney. Smells absolutely delicious. Now because this is fresh, it doesn't have any vinegar in it. It doesn't last as long as, say, a regular chutney without the preservative. So this will last about 10 days in the fridge. Hope this through. There we go. So you only really want to make a little at a time. The whirring you can hear is the oven fan where I've sterilised this jar. There we go, just enough. The jar is still hot, so I need this. There we go. I've left the curry leaves in there. That'll continue to add flavour, and then tonight, or whenever we take out the spoon that's got the curry leaf in it, we'll just remove it from the plate. So here's our dinner. We've got naan breads. I've made a garlic and coriander naan bread, Bombay potatoes, our carrot and leek bhajis, and a jackfruit curry, and the rhubarb chutney at the top. Yum yum. Thanks all for watching. Let me know if you make this. See you soon. Bye bye.